Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So let us start our new topic called challenges in strategy designing, strategy making, strategy implementation also. So developing an effective ESG strategy involves navigating several challenges that organizations commonly encounter. These challenges can vary depending on the industry, size of the organization, geographical location, and stakeholder expectations. Here are the key challenges in ESG strategy making. First one is the complexity and the integration. ESG encompasses a wide range of factors, as I told: environmental, social, governance factors, impact factors, social responsibility, governance practices. Those interact with each other. Integrating these considerations into cohesive strategy while aligning them with the business goals and existing operational framework can also be complex. Then data availability and the quality. Gathering reliable, relevant data to assess ESG risk and opportunities is also often challenging. This includes assessing consistent metrics, benchmarks, and qualitative information across different regions and sectors. So, poor data quality can hinder accurate measurement and reporting of ESG performance. Next is stakeholder alignment and engagements. ESG strategies require alignment with the stakeholder expectations and interests, including lot of stakeholders like investors, customers, employees, communities, and regulators. While balancing diverse stakeholder priorities and ensuring their active engagement in ESG initiatives can also be challenging. Regulatory and compliance requirements. Keeping up with evolving ESG regulations, regulatory frameworks, standards, reporting requirements across jurisdictions is also crucial. Compliance with regulatory frameworks such as EU and SEC disclosure rules or local environmental laws adds complexity to ESG strategy development. Next is risk management and materiality. Keeping up with evolving ESG regulations and standards and reporting requirement, also it can lead to certain material ESG risks if we are not complying to the regulatory requirement. So let's say, suppose in the risk management and materiality, identify and prioritize material ESG risks and opportunities relevant to the organization's business context is also essential. Understanding the potential financial, reputational, regulatory impacts of ESG factors and integrating them into risk management frameworks can also be challenging. Next is resource allocation and investments. Allocating sufficient resources, financial, human capital, technological investments to ESG initiatives is also critical for their successful implementation. While we say limited budgets and competing priorities may pose barrier to adequately funding of ESG strategies. Next is measurement and reporting. Establishing meaningful ESG metrics and framework to measure and report on performance transparently is also essential. Developing reliable methodologies for quantifying ESG impacts and outcomes while aligning with global reporting standards require expertise and resources. Cultural and organizational changes. Shifting organizational culture and mindset to embed ESG principles into core business operation can also be challenging. Overcoming resistance to change, fostering ESG literacy among employees, and securing leadership buy-in are crucial for driving sustainable behavioral change. Next is long-term perspective and adaptability. ESG strategy making requires a long-term perspective to address systemic challenges such as climate change, social inequalities, and governance reforms. Organizations must continuously monitor ESG trends, adapt strategies to emerging issues, and innovate to remain competitive. Next is integration with business strategy. Very important, ensuring ESG strategies are integrated seamlessly with overall business strategy and financial goals is essential for their effectiveness and sustainability. Aligning ESG initiatives with corporate values, okay, risk appetite and growth objectives can be a delicate balancing act. So align what ESG initiatives with corporate values. Okay, addressing these challenging requires a holistic approach, strong leadership commitment, collaboration across departments, and proactive engagement with the stakeholders. So, organizations, those successfully navigate these challenges, can build resilience, enhance reputation, and can create long term value while contributing positively to society and environment through ESG strategies. Thank you very much, friends. Let us start the new topic now.